So welcome to the tutorial video. Today we're going to talk about some of the direct messages I've gotten about how to maintain Viking beard as this. There's no secret to it, you just have to put that little extra of effort. So regarding the beard struggle, when you receive a package from the beard struggle, you get this welcome to the family. This is quite good. It describes how to use the products. Go check the website. The daily liquid oil, it's for shine, to get that shiny look, and obviously it also protects the beard from dryness, moisture and stuff like that. So I apply this in the morning. The beard balm, obviously I use the balm, I don't use the scrub because I have a full grown beard. So I use this to shape it, obviously it gives a shine, it gives protection as well. But I use it mainly to form the beard. Once a week I use the beard wash, it's good, and the conditioner to get out the oil, the balm, just start fresh over. Now this one is interesting, the Viking Sea. People who are struggling with, like myself, the dryness underneath the belt. This helps, when applying this one. When you scratch a beard and you have certainly a snowball with white stuff, that's not very attractive. Just starting using this, very pleased with it. Yeah, finishing off, obviously, you have also night liquid oil, which also keeps the beard moisturized during the night. Been using these products since January, very pleased with how it looks. They also have different combs. This one, this is my favorite. Viking brush, Savage brush. The model it's called. Like this. A lot of good accessories as well. But again, this is my favorite one. Use it every single day. One of the greatest things with the beard struggle, in my opinion, is that these suckers, they come in, day oil, night oil. They come with the balm. They come with the conditioner and shampoo. They also come in 8 different scents. So you have like the Odin's Virgin, you have Viking Honor, you have Ragnarok. Asgardian Secret is personally my favorite. Odin's Virgin is also very good. So it actually, they smell so good that you don't need to put cologne. So that's a nice touch to it. This is it. And of course, when you're buying products at the beard struggle, don't forget to use my promo code. It's Thor10, gives you a discount. Thanks guys, see you later.